Because your Bibo bar is the hottest and coolest kid in the kitchen, it's worth getting to know it. In this video, we'll introduce you to your Bibo bar's touchscreen interface so you can learn how to use and navigate your Bibo bar with ease. Over here is your boiling water button. You'll use this button when dispensing boiling water. You'll notice that the boiling button has a right arrow in its center. This is because it also acts as a right scroll button when you're in the menu settings. Next up is the chilled water button. You'll use this when dispensing ice-cold water from your Bibo bar. Much like the boiling water button, the chilled water button also acts as a navigation button when you're in the menu settings. You'll notice an upward arrow in its center, allowing you to scroll up. Similarly, here is the measured cup of water button, which has a downward arrow for scrolling down when you're in the menu settings. You'll use this button to measure a pre-selected amount of boiling or ice-cold water when dispensing water into a specific cup or mug. Moving back over to the left, you'll find the white menu button. This button takes you into your Bibo bar settings, where all your personal preferences can be set up. It also acts as an enter and save button when in your settings. Then, to its left, we have the lock button, which is there in order to avoid accidents with boiling water. You'll always need to touch this button before dispensing boiling water. The lock button also comes with another function. It acts as the return button when you're in your menu settings, enabling you to navigate back to where you came from. You'll notice the return arrow to the left of the lock. Then we've got the ambient button. This button allows you to dispense a mix of hot and cold water so that your favorite cup is just to your taste every time. Moving up, we have the super boil button. You can use this button to give an extra boost to your boiling water. Most often used after your Bibo bar has been in an energy saving mode for quite some time. Now let's touch on the screen itself. The screen tells you everything going on with your Bibo bar. You'll notice the boiling water bar to the left of the screen and the chilled water bar to the right to indicate the status of your hot and cold tanks. On the screen, you'll find instructions to navigate your settings and messages to talk you through the process of using your Bibo bar. Now that you're well acquainted, we'll leave you to enjoy the company of your Bibo bar. Bibo, changing your water consumption forever.